Hey, John here again with VoWac Publishing. You can't see me, but hopefully you can hear me. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of the products we have, the Suffix flowchart. This seems to give kids a little bit of a problem about when to change the Y to I and add ES and all this other stuff. So the Suffix flowchart basically starts right here, and the kids very simply apply these questions to the root word that they're dealing with and go through the whole thing. Does the word end with a consonant and a Y? Yes. You move right down here. Is the suffix ing? Yes. Then add the suffix. No. Change the Y to I and add the suffix. And so it takes them through this process. These come in a, well, this size chart, but they also come in like a 28 or 24 by 36 chart for classroom display. And these also are available in an 8.5 by 11 so that kids can put them in a trapper keeper or in their desk or wherever it is that they need access to them. So the Suffix flowchart is just kind of a neat little tool. We're going to be modifying the student guide and adding this chart to that particular guide so that kids have access to this. Take a look at our Facebook page and like us and follow us on Facebook. And every once in a while you'll see this posted. We give these away. So keep track of that and get your Suffix flowchart for your kids, and hopefully they'll get a lot of use out of that. Thanks. See you next time.